Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, can you hear me? Good morning everyone. Oh yeah, okay, means you can hear me then. Alright, apa kabar kamu semua? Are you doing well? How are you? Are you doing well everybody? Boleh komen sikit dekat situ. How are you doing? Morning everybody. Ramai respon Miss morning hari ni Sehat. How are you, Miss? I'm okay also. I'm fine, thank you. I've been busy preparing the tutorial and the summaries and all. Yang lain macam mana? Apa khabar semua orang K4, K5, K6, K14? How are you guys doing? Apa khabar semuanya? So far so good. Okay. Alright. Shall we start now? Bolehlah kita mula ya. Just hang on a bit. I want to do something over here. Sebentar ya. Banyak saya buat soalan untuk kamu. Ya. Sekejap ya. I need to bring this up. Okay. Alright. I'm done here. So let's go to the summary. Summary chapter 4. Welcome everybody to chapter 4. As you have do a lot of exercises in the lecture notes already. Well done to you if you have finished it. Very good for you. Okay. So now let me introduce briefly about 4.1. What do we have here? We have 5 important things for first subtopic circle, which is find the center. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit I didn't know this. Is it cool? Dia tak boleh panjang-panjang lagi dah. Why? Oh, okay. Ini kot. Ni ha. Okay, ignore me. I thought I didn't know about this. Okay, I just knew it. So what we have here is First thing adalah equation of a circle. Kita ada dua jenis equation of a circle. Satu adalah standard equation dan lagi satu adalah general equation. So we have two types of equations of circle. Yang kedua, find the center C and the radius R of a circle. And then next one, we have to find POI, points of intersection. And the fourth one is finding the equation of tangent, where you have learned this during your SPM level. And of course, all of you must have remembered this formula very, very well, because this formula is very, very popular during our SPM year. So all of you should have known this very, very diligently. Okay, so the last one here is the length of tangent. The length of tangent is just the use of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Dia hanyalah Pythagoras theorem, which is also basic things yang a lot of you mesti pandai menggunakannya, especially the Pythagoras theorem and the equation of tangent. You know how to find them. And Google Form yang kamu isi, all of you yang kamu isi tu semua, saya mendapati majority of you says that subtopic circle is the easiest compared to 4.2 ellipse and 4.3 parabola. You all rasa parabola lah yang paling susah sekali dan circle lah yang paling senang sekali untuk di antara tiga subtopik inilah. Okay, and yeah, majority of you, like 80% to 90% of you, vote that this topic circle is easy to do it. Yes, it is easy dengan syarat kamu hafal formula. And let's go to the formula. So this is the formula that I've prepared and I've given to you my summary already. Saya belanja kamu summary saya awal. So here goes, I start with the standard equation. And this is the formula that you have to memorize. Okay? Formula ni lah yang paling perlu hafal. Okay? Dan juga yang ini. You must hafal the standard equation of a circle dan juga the general equation of the circle. You wajib hafal. Tulis itu. Wajib hafal. Okay, saya kata wajib hafal means tolonglah ikut sebab ia akan memudahkan kamu menjawab UPS, PSPM dengan laju. Very fast. If you hafal, you sentiasa dalam fikiran you, oh, I must have the equation first. I must write it down first. So write it down as many as you can until you have remembered it with your heart. Okay, that's so strong over there. You must memorize it very, very macam tu lah. Okay. And then you must know we have a center HK. Okay, huruf C. Center kita adalah huruf H dan K. Selagi tak tahu value, kita label dia H, kita label dia K. Okay. And then, kalau untuk general equation, kita ada extra knowledge sebab kita ada huruf G and huruf F. So, our center can also be negative G, negative F. Okay, you all know this already. And here goes a formula for the radius. Yang ini pun hafal. The formula of the radius is very easy to remember. Okay, very easy to remember. It is just R equals to square root of T squared plus F squared minus C. Okay, it's easy. It's not that hard. Basically, dua ni sangat mudah untuk dihafal. Dan dua ni jugalah adalah starting kita. Every first step sentiasa memerlukan equation of circle. Okay, and so it's very important. Okay, apakah case-case-nya yang perlu dipakai ni, equation of circle ni? Bila case-nya minta find center, given to you center and radius. If let's say the question bagi center, bagi radius, itu paling senang lah. Saya paling suka yang ini. Sebab kalau kita dah ada center, we have a center and we have a radius, dah sangat senang untuk jawab, untuk tulis dan cari equation of circle. It's very, very easy, right? And then let's say if you're given 3 points, point A, point B, point C. You tinggal masukkan sahaja point-point tersebut ke dalam equation dia. Salah satu sahaja ya, salah satu. Just use any equation yang you comfortable. Dua-dua diterima. Okay? So basically most of you will use GE lah. Saya perasan most of you use GE and you can use, masukkan point tersebut point A, point B, point C ke dalam equation of general ini. Okay? Nantilah kamu akan nampak. Saya tunjuk example kejap lagi. Okay. The tutorial questions. Okay. And then let's say another case is where you are given 2 points. Okay, you are given 2 points and the equation of diameter. Contohnya y equals to x plus 1. Ataupun x plus 1 equals to 2. Up to the questions. Equation of diameter ni, diameter means this is the diameter. Okay? Tak kisahlah diameter tu di mana-mana pun. So these are the cases that you can bear in mind, always have in mind. Oh, kalau aku ada 3 point, aku boleh cari equation of circle. Oh, kalau aku ada center, aku ada radius, aku pun boleh cari equation of circle dengan senang. Oh, kalau aku ada 2 point dan aku ada equation of diameter, tak ada masalah, ada 2 point, tapi aku ada equation of diameter, no problem. So I can also find the equation of, I can also find the equation of circle. Just remember these 3 cases and you will be fine. Okay? Now, let's go to the example teruslah. So question 9 is the perfect example untuk finding equation of circle. Okay, let's have a look. This is UPS 2012-2013. This is my year. Okay. A circle passes through. I think you all should highlight this word, passes through. Apa yang dimaksudkan passes through? Bila soalan tu cakap passes through, maksudnya you boleh masukkan point ini dan point ini, tak kisahlah berapa banyak point pun, usually 2 ataupun 3 point. You boleh masukkan point ini ke dalam equation of circle. Itu yang dimaksudkan the meaning of passes through. Passes through means the point can be, it can be here or here or here or here. This is A or B, whatever it is. It could be anywhere around the circle. Okay. So if it can be anywhere, boleh nampak ke? Kalau dia boleh berada di mana-mana pada circle ini, so you can use the point A to put into the equation of circle. That is the first step actually. Okay. Sekarang ni masalahnya, okay, baca habis soalan dulu. The center lies on the line. The center lies on the line. So this is actually a diameter. Jadi ni case keberapa? Ni case ketiga. We have case 3 right now. We have 2 points and we have a diameter. Okay. So bolehlah cari equation of circle. Persoalannya miss, which equation that I should use? Is it standard equation or general equation? Boleh tak semua orang bagi tahu saya sekarang? Dekat, tell me right now, you all guna SE ke you guna GE? All of you, type it right now. What do you use? You use GE or SE? to find your equation of circle. Saya dekat sini menggunakan SE. Ada tak siapa-siapa di antara kamu yang guna SE juga? All of you, please type. If you have done it ataupun you dah buat separuh jalan, it's okay. Just comment there. What do you attempt to do? Do you start with standard equation ataupun general equation? Tell me now. SE. Si Leo saja ke yang buat? Yang lain tak buat ke? Standard equation. Oh, you all start with standard equation as well. Okay, lain-lain orang, baru 2 orang. I need respond. Kalau tak ada respond, it's not fun to do lesson. I'm so sorry. You have to work well with me. Okay, kita walaupun belajar visually, kita boleh berhubung dekat komen di sini. Okay, so Mas Mira guna general equation. Okay, no problem. Shafika guna standard equation. Eva also standard. Okay. Berapa ni? 6 orang je ke? Marni use standard equation. Oh, ramai juga guna standard equation. Dave also. Wow, okay. Standard equation. Oh, saya ingatkan ramai yang guna GE. So Alicia also using standard equation. Okay everyone. Ramai yang guna ya. Standard equation. Thank you for the response. So standard equation dekat sini. So this is your formula. Maybe I should. Suara robot. Robot mana tu? Tak ada suara robot. Saya tak pasang apa-apa lagu pun Marni. Is it just Marni or yang lain-lain pun ada dengar juga? Marni seorang je ke yang rasa ada suara robot di belakang? How about the others? The others okay? How about the others? Are you okay? Alright, saya proceed ya. Okay, it's good start. This is our step 1. Step 1 is using SE. Okay. Alright. Thank you Mas Mira, Alicia, Nadia Tul. Ada sikit ya, tapi saya pun tak tahu mana datang suara tu. I do not know. Where does it come? Alamak, tak best lah macam ni kan. Tapi okay je kan? Okay, so I start lah. I just go on. Right, step 1. Step 1, what we have here is, what we have here is standard equation. Okay, this is your standard equation. So kalau dia kata passes through, a circle passes through point A, point B. Okay, point A, point B. So you can masukkan, you boleh masukkan point A dan juga point B ke dalam equation of circle. That is the first step. Okay, that is the first step. Masukkan 2 point ini ke dalam equation kamu. Okay, equation yang kamu pilih. Some of you guna standard. Some of you guna general. So So up to you. Okay, up to you guys nak guna standard equation ataupun general equation. Up to you. Yang penting sama je, dia akan masukkan point ini, point A dan point B ke dalam equations of circle sebab dia boleh sebab dia memang the circle memang passes through, memang melalui. Passes through means melalui. Okay, the point goes to the circle passes through the point, and so you can put in the point into the equation of circle. That's it. So you masukkan, you akan dapat dua equation ini. You will get two equation here. Alright? Ni you masukkan. You do know how to masukkan, right? This is point X, this is point Y. So masukkan X, masukkan Y. R you tak ada, you biarkan saja. Tak ada masalah. Biarkan saja R sebab you memang tak ada, memang tak diberi. Okay, you masukkan, you dapat first equation and you will get second equation. After that, you will do simultaneous equation. Okay, you will do simultaneous equation and you will get third equation. So third equation means you dah ada dua unknown. See, you have two unknowns. So kalau dua unknowns means you must have two equation. Okay, bila ada dua unknown H dan K, maksudnya kita perlu ada dua equation untuk buat simultaneous. So where is another equation? Another equation is at the given line, diameter kita. So diameter kita dia bagi tahu dalam soalan, diameter here is the center. The center lies on the line here. The center lies on the line. Therefore, you can put the HK into the equation of the line. Okay? Into the equation of the diameter. So, you masukkan H dan K ke dalam equation of line. And so, you will get this. The thing is, I times it with 6 sebab saya nak buat simultaneous equation yang boleh cancelkan 6K. Saya yang buat begitu supaya saya dapat jawapan dia H adalah 3 dan juga K adalah 4. That's it. So that is how I do simultaneous equation. Topik 4.1, circle memang perlu kuasai, memang sangat-sangat perlu kuasai simultaneous. Okay. Simultaneous you mesti kuat, mesti power. Barulah boleh bawa subtopik 4.1 circle. Okay. Careless tu memang biasa, memang normal. Just don't give up. Keep on going. Buatlah sebanyak mungkin sebab saya pun melalui benda yang sama. Saya pun buat berulang kali sampai jumpa jawapan 3 ni. Can you imagine that? I have been learning and doing and teaching maths for how many years already? Almost 4 years. But sometimes also I struggle. I struggle and have to do many times until I get the answer. So, kalau saya pun berulang kali cari jawapan sometimes, and of course you guys mesti lagi berganda-ganda perlu cuba sampai dapat jawapan. You know, as I said, every time you must keep going and doing it and calculating it. Okay? Jangan putus asa sehingga dapat apa yang kita mahukan. Alright? So now we got the center already. So this is the center, you write it down nicely. So after find the center, you can find the radius. Sebab kita kan nak cari equation of circle. So our goal is equation of circle. Right now we already got the center. And what we need then is the radius. The radius is just put in Miss, mana datang 7 ni? 7 is at point B, tak silap saya. Yeah, I use the point B. You can use the point A as well. You boleh masukkan point A. This is point A, this is point B. Okay, you boleh masukkan ke dalam equation of circle. Jawapan tetap sama 5. You tak percaya, you buat. You kena try and error until you got it. Okay? So all you have to do, masukkan je H dan K. Masukkan sahaja any point. So now I put point B. And then I got the number 5, the radius. And so my standard equation is this one. Ta-da! I have finally found my standard equation of circle successfully. So our goal in order to get equation of circle is always having a radius. Kita dalam fikiran kita sentiasa kena cari radius dan sentiasa kena cari center. Sebab dengan hanya ada 2 benda ini akan memberi kita standard or general equation of circle. Okay, ada 2 benda tu paling penting, center and radius, wajib ada. Kalau 2 ni ada, confirm you all will be fine. So now I want to show you, here is one of the students, in this case one of the students, saya minta jawapan solution dia menggunakan GE. This is general equation. Okay, general equation. So many of you juga buat, ada juga yang buat GE. So I show you right here. Okay, so GE over here, you kena faham kalau you guna GE, you kena pakai center yang ini, yang ada negative G, negative F. You must use it. Sebab apa? Sebab dalam general equation ada huruf G dan huruf F. And so you gotta take account on that. Okay, you kena pakai G dan F ni lah. Okay, and so macam biasa apa yang dia buat, dia masukkan dia masukkan point A dan point B ke dalam GE. Okay, dia masukkan point A dan point B ke dalam general equation until dia dapat 2 equation. Bila dia dah dapat 2 equation, surprisingly, okay, there are many ways, you know. Tak semestinya cara kawan kamu ini, kamu perlu ikut. No, you don't ikut kalau you boleh produce your own writing, your own calculation, your own computation. Okay, tak perlu sentiasa follow kawan. You all boleh fikir sendiri sepatutnya nak buat macam mana. So this is only one of the example. Okay, kamu tak perlu ikut pun. Hanya dengar pun dah okay. Okay, dengar saja macam mana kawan ni buat. It's very good also to know his method. Okay. So now what he did here is, tengok ni, dia buat something dekat sini. Mana datang ni, Miss? Where is this coming from? This is actually the equation of diameter. The line tadi, y equals to, apa tadi? Y equals to 1 plus x. So what he did is, dia masukkan negative G, negative F dan negative G ke dalam equation ini. Dia dapatlah ini. You tak percaya, you kena tulis lah sebenarnya. Okay, you must write it down. So negative f equals to 1 minus g. So g is equals to 1 plus f. Betul? See? The same thing. So dia masukkan center, point center negative g and negative f ke dalam diameter, ke dalam equation of diameter. And so dia dapatlah g ini. And then dia sungguh-sungguh nak masukkan, dia nak masukkan ke dalam g. This one. Dia nak buat awal. So dia buat awal, dia dapatlah equation ini dan ini. So lebih simple lah. So that the equation would be simpler. Much simpler. And so dia buat simultaneous equation until dia dapat jawapan G and F. This is the answer for G and F. And so dia masukkan dia punya center. Dia masukkan dia punya center dekat sini. And so dia produce the standard equation. Okay? Dia producekan dia punya standard equation. And so jawapan dia sama sahaja dengan jawapan kita yang buat standard equation dari awal lagi. So what I'm trying to show here is you can start with any equation. Sama ada standard equation ataupun general equation. So that is what my goal right now here, untuk memberitahu pada kamu semua bahawa kamu boleh start dari mana-mana yang kamu selesa. Standard equation ataupun general equation. Up to you. You choose, you make your own decision. Okay, that's the best. Kita kan naluri kita punya, our fitrah sebenarnya. Kita ikut our own method. I mean, usually the first thing kan dalam fikiran kita mesti kita nak guna cara kita. So sama juga dalam maths. You should apply what method that you feel comfortable. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to follow your friends. So right now here, I'm showing to you that saya selesa menggunakan standard equation. And this is me. And me is not you. So, and you are also not me. Jadi, jangan pening-pening. Follow what you love to use. What I love to use is I start with SE. Because I love it. Kalau you suka GE, because you love it. So you go on with your style. Okay? Simultaneous pun ikut cara masing-masing. Cara kamu tak sama dengan cara kawan. Jadi janganlah pening-pening nak copy jawapan dia je. It's not a good way sometimes. Copying in learning tak sentiasanya bagus. Untuk certain situasi sahaja bagus. But not every time. Okay? Copying is not always good, but it can help you a bit. Okay? So now I'm trying to show you question 10. Question 10 is having 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Point A, point B, point C, let's say. Okay, hence find the radius of the circle. Masalahnya, macam mana nak cari radius? Center pun tak ada. Jadi kita perlu cari center. Macam mana nak cari center? So what I'm doing here is I use SE again. As I said, you all can choose your own style. You can choose your own starting. You boleh start dari SE ataupun GE. Up to you. So now I'm showing you my way. I start with SE. Okay, I start with SE. I put in all 3 points into the equation of circle. Okay, perasan tak apa saya buat dekat sini? I put in point A, point B, point C into into where? Into the standard equation here. So saya akan ada 3 equation simultaneous. Bukan. Yelah, saya akan ada 3 lah. 3. See? First equation, second equation, and the third equation. Okay? This is my style. And then, I can do simultaneous equation. Kita pulang lah. Equation 1 minus 2 ataupun equation 2 minus 1. Sebab apa? Sebab saya nak cancel h squared, k squared, and r squared. Saya nak cancel out kan dia supaya saya tinggal ini saja. Okay? Saya nampak, you know, when you do circle, you must know simultaneous. You cannot avoid that. Okay? And please, the simplest of doing simultaneous is tolak ataupun tambah mengikut kesesuaian keadaan equation. Okay? So here is you must compare with these two dan juga these two. And so you dah akan dapat 2 equation yang baru. So this is the 2 new equation. Okay, this is the 2 new equation. Am I too fast? If I'm too if I want to if I am too fast, please tell me. Miss, boleh tak tolong berhenti sekejap dekat ni? Saya nak tengok sekejap je. You know, you can ask that. Just type it on the comment there. Okay? So, yeah. So, if you have done equation 1 minus 2, you will get a new equation. Equation 4 saya label it. If you do equation 2 minus 3, you will get another new equation. Equation 5 saya letak dia. Okay, makin macam itulah buat simultaneous dengan jayanya. Okay, dengan simplenya. Okay. Kena pandai operasi tambah tolak yang bersesuaian dalam simultaneous. Okay. Yang penting you faham goal you nak hilangkan h squared, k squared, and r squared. You want to eliminate those things so that you will get the middle equation. Okay. You boleh buat operasi tambah tolak tu lah. Kena hati-hati dekat sini. Kena pandai banyak buat latihan lah. Kena pandai banyak menguasai simultaneous. Dari situ, baru you boleh buat lah subtopik ni. Okay. And so, you dah berjaya cari H and K. Sebab apa? You pandai buat simultaneous equation. You want to cancel out 4K, and you will get the value of H first. After that, you will get the value of K. And then dah dapat center, you are very happy. When you already got the value of center, you can sub it into the standard equation of circle. See? You can put it in. Okay? Put it in and then you need the value of R. So you need the value of R. You can just use one of the formula. Use any point. Use any point and you put into the equation of circle, and then you will get the radius. After that, as a conclusion, sometimes soalan minta, kadang-kadang kan soalan tu tak jelas. Soalan pasir ni, dia tak minta pun standard equation ataupun general equation. Melainkan dia spesifik dia minta. Soalan ni dia tidak minta spesifik dia apa. Jadi jawapan boleh dalam bentuk ini, correct, ataupun ini. Your final answer can be in both if they did not say specifically. Okay, is it clear? Boleh faham ke? Soalan boleh terima. Pemeriksa sepatutnya terima kalau dia tidak sebut apa equation yang dia mahu. Dua-dua diterima. Dua-dua sepatutnya diterima. dua-dua diterima, whether it's SE or GE. Yang penting you pandai jawablah soalan ni. Okay? So that's it. All you have to do is make sure you have a center. After you have a center, you can find your radius. See, very easy. As long as you know the meaning of passes through. Dalam soalan ada passes through. Ni, passes through ni sentiasa famous. Sentiasa akan ada. Passes through means the point pada circle itu ada point A, ada point B, point C. Sebab itulah kita kena masukkan point-point ini ke dalam equationnya. Equation apa? Equation of circle lah. Equation of circle yang mana? Sama ada standard ataupun general. Up to you guys. Okay? Boleh ke semua orang? Faham ke? Is it clear untuk standard equation and general equation? Are you all clear over here? Are you all very clear at the equation, at the finding equation of circle? Boleh nampak ke permainan dia? Boleh nampak ke case-case dia? Is it clear to you guys? Okay, jadi tak kisahlah masing-masing nak start dari mana. So here is another example yang student ini buat dari GE. General equation, see? Dia start dari general equation. Tak salah pun. Tengok ni, dia buat dari general equation, masukkan 3 point ke dalam equation of circle, dapatlah 3 equation. And then buatlah simultaneous equation. See, tengok ni, hektik tak? Macam hektik je kan? Tapi saya tak nak explain sangatlah sebab kamu pun ada cara kamu sendiri untuk buat simultaneous. Jadi ikutlah cara kamu sendiri untuk buat simultaneous ini. Tak semestinya kena ikut kawan. Okay, kamu pun ada cara kamu sendiri. Okay, so here goes his method lah. Okay, and so yeah, all of this is just very very simple simultaneous, you know. Sampailah dia berjaya jumpa G dan F, center. Dah jumpa center, boleh masukkan ke dalam equation balik, see. Nak cari radius pula. Kalau cari radius memang kena pakai G squared plus F squared minus C. You know, you gotta hafal this formula lah. Macam tu pula. So, yeah, it's very good to know many ways so that you seronok lah belajar maths. You tak adalah rasa cara kawan you je betul. Cara you pun betul juga. Cumanya kena pandai tegakkan. Kena pandai tegakkan yang you juga boleh buat. You juga boleh cari solution, cari jawapan. Tak semestinya cara kawan you je yang betul setiap masa. Right? So make your own decision, make your own solution. That is the best sebab the feeling of getting the answer by using your own method, that's the most accomplished things lah. That's the most satisfying feeling yang kamu boleh dapat lah dalam buat matematik ni. Kamu agree tak apa saya cakap? Kamu rasa puas tak kalau kamu berjaya buat sesuatu dengan usaha kamu sendiri? Kamu rasa puas tak? Cuba cakap dengan Miss. Are you satisfied with your own effort, your own method, and then you find the answer? Are you happy, guys? Tell me now. Are you happy? Aren't you happy? You aren't happy? Okay lah, Miss teruskan lah. kamu punya line tak berapa bagus ke or something. Okay, let's just go on to question 11. So question 11 we have here is a circle C. Okay, thank you Akila and Marnie. Okay, circle C passes through the origin and has its center, and at the point this one. So this one is your center. So your center is good. You already got them. Daripada soalan you dah ada center. Daripada soalan ni you dah ada center. Okay, the thing is passes through the origin. Oh, dia kata the circle is passing through. The circle is passing through the circle. The origin. The circle is passing through the origin. Therefore, you boleh masukkan origin, you boleh masukkan point origin ke dalam standard equation. Ya, you boleh masukkan ke dalam standard equation ni. And then you masukkan juga point center. And so you got the radius. You got the radius already. Yeah, you are happy sebab nak buat equation of circle mesti ada radius, mesti ada center. You dah ada center, you dah ada radius. Ngam lah. Bolehlah dapat equation of circle. Okay, so this is it. This is the question A. Equation of circle mesti dapatkan center. Center dah ada. Center dah ada. Buat apa lagi? Carilah pula radius. Okay, carilah pula radius. And so, kita nak go to the question B untuk soalan 11 ni, question B. If the line, this is the line, meets the circle C at points P and Q, determine the coordinate of P and Q. Okay. Dia kata kalau ada satu line ini meets the circle at the point P and Q. So saya dah lukis dekat sini. So we have a circle over here. We have a circle over here. And let's say we have a point P and Q. Okay. So that point P and Q, perlu digariskan lah sebab dia kata it's a line. When the line meets the circle at point P and Q. So when the line meet the circle at point P and Q. So this is the drawing, the sketching yang sikit-sikit je you sketch pun dah okey dah. Okay, just nak bagi faham macam mana bentuk dia. So dia tak semestinya kena center. Sometimes kita tak tahu dia lalu center ataupun tidak. Yang penting kita tahu dia apa. Kita tak dapat information pun yang line tu dia akan lalu center. Saya tak tahu pun. Saya main lukis je. Okay, yang saya pasti, yang saya tahu that the line will cross the circle with using the point P and Q. That's all I know. So when I know that the line macam cross the circle, okay, cross the circle means I have two POI. Saya dari sini saya dah nampak dah, baca soalan je saya dah faham. Having the line that go through the circle, meets the circle at point P and Q. You know, the line go through the circle and I straight away know that I have 2 point, I have 2 POI. So 2 POI ni maksudnya nak kena cari point of intersection. Dia yang suruh cari coordinate P and coordinate Q. Soalan ni dia yang minta. Jadi soalan ni kategori finding point of intersection. So untuk cari point of intersection, kena buat apa? Okay, let's recall the summary back lah. Let's go to the summary. Point of intersection. First of all, ni intersection between two circles. Yang ini intersection between a circle and a line. So let's say we have this lah. So first of all, kita kena make sure kita punya ni. Is it more than 0? We have to do that. Okay, let's have a look. How do I do it? Let's have a look. How do I do it? So this is the standard equation that we have. Okay. So this is the standard equation that we have. Okay, apa yang saya buat? Saya kembangkan dia. I expand it so that I'll get GE. So this is GE, standard equation of the circle. Okay. Kenapa saya kembangkan pula? Tak kisah pun sebenarnya, nak kembang pun boleh, tak kembang pun tak apa. Yang penting masukkan, yang penting you perlu masukkan the line, you know, this is the line, right? Y equals to X minus 6. Disebabkan line ini yang berada pada circle itu, kita boleh masukkan line itu. We can put in the line, sub in into the equation of circle. Just masukkan line itu ke dalam equation of circle. That's it. Just put it in from the, masukkan saja equation of the line into the equation of circle. Memang dia berada dalam circle kan. So you have to put in. And so saya memakai GE. And then baru saya masukkan equation of the line. It's up to you. Nak masuk dari awal pun boleh, tak ada masalah. But it's still nanti you kembangkan juga, right? And so I got two values of X. So if I have two values of X means I can get two value of Y. Dapatlah dua koordinat. Satu koordinat ni 6, 0. Another one is 0, negative 6. And so I got two POI successfully. Okay, caranya senang je. Masukkan line. This is the only step. This is the only step one that is very important, which is just use, okay, just sub in. You have nothing to lose. You nothing to worry sebab you dah ada equation of circle. You memang dah ada dari soalan A. Daripada soalan A ni, you dah ada equation of circle. You tinggal nak masukkan sahaja diameter ini ke dalam equation of circle. Bila dah masuk, you akan dapat everything is in terms of X. Everything is in terms of X, boleh diselesaikan, dapat value of X. Dah dapat value of X, dapat value of Y. Means they have two coordinates and we are happy. When we are happy, so we are get what we want then. Okay? Okay, jom kita tengok soalan C. Masih lagi soalan 11 tapi dia nak cari find the coordinates of the points. Apa ni? Find the coordinates of the points on the circle C where the tangent are parallel to the line PQ. Oh. Okay, everybody. So this is the drawing. Yeah. Oh no, it's moving. What happened? Okay lah. Sekejap ya, let me handle this. Okay, soalan A dan soalan B kita dah berjaya jawab. Sekarang ni kita nak cari soalan C. Kita nak cuba jawab soalan C. Soalan C dekat sini, find the coordinates of the points of C where the tangent are parallel to the line PQ. Boleh nampak ke ya? I'm so sorry that I write so much here. Okay. So soalan dia, kena cuba faham soalan dulu. Find the coordinates of the point C. Bukan off. Find the coordinates of the points on C, on the circle. On the circle. Find the coordinates of the points on the circle where the tangents are parallel. I think you all should highlight this. The tangent are parallel to the line PQ. So where is the tangent? So now this is category D. Category D is about equation of tangent. So dalam fikiran kamu nampak je perkataan tangent, maksudnya you perlu pakai equation of tangent. Okay? Equation of tangent yang mana miss? Equation of tangent ada dua. Kamu boleh pakai yang pendek ataupun kamu boleh pakai yang panjang. Mana yang kamu nak? Yang pendek ke yang panjang? Pada pendapat saya, better lah kita guna yang pendek. Sebab dia tak kata pun kena guna formula panjang. Right? Jadi, if I were you, I will always use method 1. Okay? I'll always use method 1 and I don't have to susah payah lah cari G, cari F. I mean, yelah kita senang juga cari. It's not that hard. But dengan equation yang panjang ni, dia lagi mudah buat careless mistakes. And so we all gonna prefer using the gradient method. It's much more easier. Okay? So we need the equation of tangent. But before we go to the equation of tangent, kita kena faham drawing dulu. Drawing apa miss? Ini. Ini yang perlu faham dulu ni. You all must understand this. Okay, just now as I said to you all, this is the line yang melalui the line pada, this is at the first question A and B. Dia berada di circle. Okay, this line is on the circle. And so, kalau saya tahu, miss macam mana dia bentuk macam ni? Macam mana you tahu dia ke kanan dan ke atas? How do you know ke kanan dan ke atas line dia? Sebab, guys, you mesti make sense of this. This is positive X. Positive X means positive linear. Right? Kena ada ilmu tu. Ilmu pandai tengok graph. This is positive linear. Kalau positive linear, dia mesti menaik dan ke atas, ke kanan. Menaik dan ke atas, ke kanan. Okay, we all know that. Quite nice. I mean, quite firmly we know that this is a positive linear. Tak kisahlah. Macam ni ke, asalkan dia ke atas lah dan ke kanan. Okay, so I know this is positive X. Positive linear. And so I can find its normal. How do I find its normal? I find its normal by maybe I should delete this and try to do again. I can find the normal line. I'll use the dotted line, okay? I can find the dotted line and here goes. You can use this dotted line. So this dotted line yang yang you kena faham, dia 90 degree pada you punya line. This is all 90 degree, okay? 90 darjah. Okay, this is the original line. So this is the line, means it's just a line. But daripada line ni, you boleh cari normal. So this is normal line. Boleh faham ke apa saya ajar? Boleh faham ke apa maksud saya? Yang saya maksudkan dengan normal line. Okay, normal line mesti opposite. Normal line dia mesti 90 degree kepada line tangent kita. Pada line kita. Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, this is quite important, you know. It's very, very important. Question 11, many sangkut dekat soalan ni. Okay, many of you struggle with this year, past year. Oh, this is not past year. It's okay, I think it's a past year. Cumanya tak tertulis tahun keberapa. So, we need to find the tangents that parallel to the PQ. So, parallel to the PQ maksudnya, kalau sini dah line kita, yang parallel tu apa maksudnya? Parallel means this is the parallel line. The tangent is parallel to the PQ. Means the tangent is over here and here. Do you get me? Do you understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying here is the tangent line is parallel. This is parallel. Is parallel to the PQ point, the PQ line. This is the PQ line. And so, you faham lah, oh ni tangent line. This is tangent line. Kalau you dah faham ini tangent line, of course lah you faham ni normal line. Right? You must understand that this is normal line. Okay, after you have understand the drawing, you can finally getting this point. You dah faham mana satu tangent line, you dah faham mana satu normal line. Meaning, you tahulah nak cari, apa ni? You tahulah nak cari point tersebut yang berada di, yang coordinate of the points yang kita mahukan. This is the coordinates that we are trying to look at. Okay? We are trying to look for it. We are asking it, what is the coordinate over here? Dengan dah tahu ini tangent. Tinggal nak cari coordinate saja. Okay, kena faham masalah dulu. Kena faham problem dulu. Do you understand what I'm saying here? Kau faham ke apa yang saya tengah membebel sekarang ni? Do you all get it? Are you with me? Or are you just buat benda lain or dengar saja? Kalau dengar saja pun sepatutnya boleh faham lah. Okay? Are you with me? Okay, thank you, Azra. Alright, so the way to find after you understand the problem of the question, you boleh buat macam ni. Macam cara saya ni, I should delete this one. This one. Okay, so sekarang ni kita perlu cari MT dan MN. Okay, first of all, apa yang kamu kena faham, MT adalah gradient untuk tangent. Manakala MN maksudnya gradient untuk normal. So you kena pandai faham, kamu kena pandai faham bahawa we have mn darab mt adalah -1. Is equals to -1. We know this formula already. We know this formula very, very clearly. Okay, the thing is, what you have here is, this is tangent line. So tangent line nak cari gradient macam mana? Sebenarnya tak cari pun tak apa. Daripada equation ni pun dah tahu, our m is 1. To be honest, if you are very clever, from this line, you can already know that the gradient is 1. But some of you, kalau dia tak nampak, dia akan buat jugalah gradient. Dia akan cuba 0 minus 6 over 6 minus 0. Dia dapatlah 1 juga. Tak ada salahnya. You can still find the gradient of the tangent. So this is your gradient of tangent, which is mt. Tapi you perlukan mn. You perlu gradient untuk normal line. You perlukan dia. Jadi you guna formula ini dan you dapatlah, oh, our gradient of the normal line is -1. It's -1. Okay. So this is the normal line, which is y equals to -x. This is the new line that we got. We have found it, happily. Okay, we gotta use that equation. Okay, we have this. You fahamkan mana saya dapat ni? This is y equals to -x, meaning gradient. This is m. Okay, this is the gradient. Y equals to mx plus c pun boleh pakai sebenarnya. Lepas tu, let's say lah saya cuba miss, what is the value of c then? Y equals to mx plus c. So let's say dia kan lalu sini, dia lalu center, 3, -3. I put -3 times -1 times 3 plus c. So c is actually 0. Betul lah, c is 0. C is 0, guys. In the middle here, this is the center. Okay. The C is 0. Sebab you masukkan, sebab this normal line is at the center. This normal line is at the center. That's why I use y equals to mx plus c. Maybe saya patut tulis kot. So yeah, that's it. This is the reason why the normal line is just -x. Sebab yalah, pada line ini kita ada point center. So yeah, that's why the C is 0. Okay, dah dapat normal line. Bila dah dapat normal line, barulah kita boleh cari dua koordinat yang kita mahukan. Macam mana tu, Miss? Okay, macam ni. So I only use what I have. I have equation of circle. Okay, untuk soalan A, untuk tadi question A, question B, I already got the equation of circle. And I also have a normal line. See, I have a normal line just now. I already got it, which is y equals to -x. So what I can do is just masukkanlah saya punya ini. Masukkan saja saya punya equation of normal line tadi, our normal line ke dalam equation of circle. So that's it. Nanti saya dapatlah dua koordinat. because everything here will be in terms of x. So I'll get answer x coordinate, and so I'll get y coordinate juga. Okay, when I got two coordinates, and so I'm happy, this is my answer. Oops. Alah, ada yang tergerak situ. Macam mana lah boleh tergerak ni? Okay, boleh faham ke? Ada apa-apa soalan ke nak tanya? Okay, this is very this thing is this method is like finding POI. Finding POIs. Okay, like finding two coordinate, maksudnya 2 point lah. Two point of intersection between the circle and the line. Cumanya dia memerlukan kita cari normal line tu sendiri. Kita diminta untuk cari line tu sendiri dan kita diminta untuk cari gradient tu sendiri. Kalau kita salah guna gradient, of course kita akan salah dapat jawapan juga. Jadi kita kena make sure our line is correct and we must know the position of normal line tu dekat mana. Sebab dengan dapatnya normal line ini, barulah dapat cari koordinat ini. Sebab kenapa kena cari normal line, Miss? Sebab kita hanya ada tangent line yang atas ni. I only got the tangent line yang ini. Oh God. I only got the tangent line ini. This is the only tangent line that I got. I don't have this another tangent line. I do not know what's the okay, I know that this might be tak tahu pun. What's the mx plus c? I do not know. Mx plus c, you know, I do not know. Kalau saya tahu line ni, bolehlah terus pakai line ini dan tak payah cari normal line bagai, tak payah. The thing is I don't have it. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't have this line. Therefore, if I don't have this parallel line, I gotta use the gradient. The gradient of the tangent line dan normal line lah yang membantu saya. This normal line that helps me to find my coordinate at this point, this 2 point area here, this 2 point there. Faham ke semua orang? Apa yang solution ni tengah cuba mengajar kamu? You all get it? Boleh faham ke semua orang? Do you understand what this question is trying to teach you all? Kalau ada intersection between a circle and a line, okay, ada intersection between a circle and a line, kita akan guna POI. Kita akan guna point, kita akan cari point of intersection. So nak cari point of intersection, sedang menghadam Andrea nak kata. Okay, tak apa, pelan-pelan hadam Andriana. Good, it's good. Okay, apa yang kita tengah cuba fahamkan sekarang ni, apabila when a circle meets the line, dia bermaksud dia bertembung. Line dan circle bertembung, jadi kita boleh guna POI, point of intersection punya method. So point of intersection punya method memerlukan line tersebut, equation of this line, untuk masuk ke dalam equation of circle. So this is what I'm trying to do. Masukkan equation of line ke dalam equation of circle. This is what I do. Masukkan equation of line ke dalam equation of circle. The thing is, saya kena pastikan line saya tepat. Line yang mana? Line yang tangent ke line yang normal? Dari situ drawing sangat penting. Okay. Dari situ drawing teramatlah penting. Saya besarkan. Okay, dari situ drawing kita sangat-sangat penting lah. Saya repeat ya. Yang kita ada adalah tangent line. You all mesti faham tangent dulu kot dekat mana. Tangent mesti dekat tepi-tepi ni. Tangent, dia mesti dekat luar. Luar circle. This is tangent line. Okay. So you kena faham this is tangent line. Kena faham dulu di mana tangent line dan di mana normal line. Kena faham yang itu dululah. Okay. Kenapa kita tak boleh masukkan ini ke dalam equation of circle? Kenapa? Tell me everybody. Kenapa kita tak pakai tangent line? Kenapa kita kena pakai normal line? Persoalkan diri tu sentiasa. Tanya diri sendiri. Kenapa aku nak guna normal line? Bukan tangent line. Sebab tangent line berada di tengah-tengah ni. Okay. Tangent line berada di, okay, dia kata parallel. Just now the soalan said it's parallel. So tiga-tiga ni kita panggil tangent line. The thing is we do not know this tangent. We know the middle tangent only. We do not know this tangent. Kalau tak tahu tangent yang ini, macam mana nak cari koordinat? Betul tak? Tapi kita ada clue. Kita ada clue bahawa this tangent, this middle line gonna help us to find normal line. When we successfully understand that normal line will help us untuk dimasukkan ke dalam equation of circle. Maksudnya kamu betul-betul fahamlah soalan ni. Sebab only normal line yang kita boleh tahu, only normal line yang boleh bantu kita cari koordinat. Sebab kita boleh cari normal line ni, normal line can be found. Oh, that's the word. Normal line can be found. Can be found. How? It can be found by using the gradient, having the intelligence of learning the gradient of tangent and the gradient of normal. Kena hadamkan sendirilah pelan-pelan baru boleh faham soalan ni. Kena recall balik SPM level punya. Di manakah tangent, di manakah normal. Kena fahamkan tu balik baru you faham kot apa saya ajar yang ini. Okay. All I'm trying to say is that untuk cari dua koordinat ini, kita tak ada tangent line yang sini. Kita tak ada tangent line yang dua ni untuk cari dua koordinat ni. Kita tak ada. Tapi kita ada apa? Kita ada normal line yang boleh bantu kita cari dua koordinat ini. That's the goal of this question. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, soalan nombor 12. Let's read the question. A line segment joining a line segment joining these 2 points. So these are 2 points. So So this is the line segment. Okay, so this is the line segment. Okay, everybody, you with me? This is the line segment with 2 points. Okay. Kalau kamu sedar, Miss buat, kalau ada certain soalan, kita juga boleh pakai koordinat ni. Koordinat ni akan bantu kita. Like we can label -1, 0. Kita memang pakai exactly the same scale. Boleh, tak salah pun. You nak pakai Desmos pun boleh. Tak ada masalah untuk bagi nampak kan. So -1, 0 is over here. And 3, 4 is over there. Okay, saya memang pakai koordinat yang tepat lah kali ni. Okay. And then diameter dia, dia kata this is the diameter of the circle. So this is the diameter D lah. Find the equation of the circle. Okay, selain daripada nak buat cara panjang, ini pun markah ada 3 je, pendek kan. Lebih baiklah kita guna method midpoint untuk cari center. Okay, untuk cari center. This is another quick way of finding equation of circle. Selain daripada buat panjang-panjang, masukkan point bagai kan. Masukkan point bagai and then in fact we do not have the diameter. Kita tak ada diameter, jadi kita tak ada diameter line. We don't have the diameter line. Takkan kita nak buat cara yang panjang-panjang tadi yang kena cari. Simultaneous tadi, tak payah buat simultaneous. Okay. Sebab apa? Sebab kita tak ada diameter line. Okay. Kalau lagipun soalan ni markah dia pendek, 3 markah saja. And so what we must understand is we can use midpoint. Okay, kita cari midpoint supaya kita dapat cari center. Kalau kamu buat scale yang tepat, to be honest, kalau kamu buat scale yang tepat kan, kamu sebenarnya boleh nampak dah dekat mana center. Center is very easy to see lah, which is 1 and 2. Tapi kalau tak nak lukis sejelas ini, you can use midpoint and then you can find the center by using this lah. 3 tambah -1 bahagi 2, dapatlah 1. 4 tambah 0 bagi 2, dapatlah 2. Okay, you use the midpoint method. And there you go, you got your center. And so radius tak ada, cari sendiri. Cari sendiri macam mana? Pakailah salah satu point. Okay, use one of the points there. You use one of the points there. And then you got your radius. And then there you go. This is the equation of circle. You have found it successfully. Find the equation of tangent at the point ini. So tangent dekat mana? So let me change this. Delete this. Tak nak delete lah, tukar dia jadi ni. So this is my normal line. Delete lah line segment ni, pening kan? Tak nak delete. So this is my normal line. Normal line mesti 90 degree. Nampak tak saya duk buat ni? Saya duk buat ni. This is 90 degree. Okay, normal line mesti in physics, normal line kalau kita ada bulat, kita ada bulatan, kita mesti ada atas bulatan tu, ni yang ini, mestilah the normal. Okay, you tak faham benda ni, susah lah kalau you tak boleh digest apa saya cuba cakap ni. Normal line mesti 90 degree daripada circle. That is basic knowledge that you must already grasp. Okay, you must already faham lah bahawa yang ini adalah normal line. Okay. Kalau you tahu ni normal line, mestilah you tahu, of course lah you tahu ni tangent. Sebab kenapa saya lukis dekat sini? Sebab dia yang kata dia nak tangent line pada 3 dan 4. Dia yang minta tangent line pada point 3 dan 4. Therefore, I put a tangent line over there. And therefore, this is my normal line. Okay, you all faham dah ya? Kenapa saya lukis macam tu? And then untuk cari the tangent line at this point, kita kena cari gradient dulu. Gradient yang mana? Kita kena cari gradient. Apa yang kita boleh cari dulu? Apa yang kita perlu? Apa yang kita perlu? Apa yang kita ada? You know, this subtopic, you kena always ask yourself, what do you have? What is the only thing that you have? And dengan apa yang ada tu je yang kena pakai. Tak boleh fikir, tak perlu fikir panjang-panjang. Fikir apa yang ada. So apa yang you ada adalah you ada 3 point ni. 3 point ni adalah a normal line, di mana normal line ni boleh dicari dia punya gradient. Dengan syarat kamu ada 2 point pun dah cukup dah. Dah ada 2 point pun dah cukup untuk cari the gradient of the normal. Right? And so what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to find the gradient of the normal. I use 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. Oh, I use hujung-hujung. Tak kisahlah, sama je. Okay, sama je. Akan dapat jawapan gradient sama juga. I use 4 minus 0 and then 3 minus negative 1. This is what I do to find the gradient. And so I got 1. Tapi kita bukannya nak normal punya line, betul tak? Kita bukan nak cari equation of normal. Kita nak cari equation of tangent. Jadi equation of tangent perlulah pakai gradient tangent. So gradient tangent, dekat sini perbetulkan kamu punya equation. You must specifically understand that you are trying to find the gradient of the tangent itself. Because soalan yang minta cari equation of tangent. So you cannot ignore it. You gotta find equation gradient of tangent juga dan pakailah masuk ke dalam formula ini. And then masukkan saja point X and point Y pada point 3 dan 4 di sini, dapatlah jawapan. And this is the final answer, which is this one. Tada! As simple as ABC. Soalan ni lah paling senang sekali saya rasa. Ya, soalan ni quite simple. Cari equation of tangent, kena faham mesti ada apa? Mesti ada gradient of tangent itself. Tak boleh main suka-suka pakai gradient. You gotta find the suitable gradient. Okay? Pandai kuasailah bahagian ni. Alright? Let's go to question 12. I hope this is the last one that I have to teach you guys. Okay, and saya rasa saya boleh cover circle je kot hari ni. Tak pun, should I go now to the ellipse? Boleh ke saya terus masuk ellipse everybody? Boleh ke? Yang lain ni kamu sendiri belajar. Is it okay with you guys? Boleh ke saya masuk ellipse? Sebab saya kena masuk ellipse sedikit lah sebenarnya. Yang lain ni kamu sendiri belajar. Ikut tengok apa saya, solution saya. Nanti saya bagi. So this is what I'm trying to say to you all. This is the tangent. Tangent berada di luar circle ni lah. Okay, tangent berada di luar circle. This is all the tangent. Mesti berada di luar circle. Itu maksud tangent. Dan dia punya normal line ni yang dotted line ni. You boleh faham sendiri ke dengan membaca solution saya nanti? Can you all understand it by yourself later? Untuk soalan C ni, points of intersection with its chord, which the midpoint is the origin. Midpoint is the origin. So this is the chord. This is the line of the chord. Maybe I should cutkan ni. So this is the chord. Okay, this is the chord. Right? Yeah, I don't think I can explain all of this kalau tak kita tak masuk ellipse. Boleh ke kamu semua nanti have a look at my solution and you belajar sendiri, Google sendiri apa maksud chord, and you compare what are my solution here and dengan soalan dia kata midpoint is the origin, so this is the midpoint. Okay. So the chord is the chord of which the midpoint is origin. So dia perlu ada soalan ni perlu pandai cari gradient of tangent, kena pandai beza manakah satu tangent, manakah satu normal. You all kena sendiri faham lah. You all kena sendiri faham bahawa ini adalah normal. Okay, maybe I should. You all kena faham yang ini adalah normal line. Jadi kalau normal line mestilah MN. Sebab itulah saya 2 tolak kosong, 2 tolak kosong, 1 tolak kosong. Dekat sini. So you kena faham, oh ini untuk normal. Kalau you tak tahu ini untuk normal, you akan rasa oh ni tangent kot. Tak boleh main teka-teki. Cannot. You kena faham di manakah kedudukan normal. Apakah yang you ada. You ada, 2 point. And then aku boleh cari normal line. You know, when I can't find normal line, I have no problem in finding tangent. When I have the gradient for normal, I can find the gradient for tangent. Sebab tangent berada di sini. Tangent berada di sini. So I need the tangent instead. I need the formula of the tangent. And then I got the line of the tangent. When I already got the line of the tangent, I can put in, ni soalan ni sama lah sebiji. Soalan ni sebiji macam soalan tadi. Sebiji. I can put in the line of the tangent into the circle. And then I got the coordinates, and these are the coordinates that I have found successfully, 2 points of coordinate, 2 points of intersection. Dalam soalan, dia tak cakap, yang ni dia cakap point of intersection. So, gotta use POI punya method lah. POI punya method sentiasa sama. Masukkan line ke dalam circle. Tetapi kena make sure line yang tepat. Line yang mana? Line yang tangent ke? Line yang normal? Dekat sinilah kamu punya penentuan kebijaksanaan kamu. Kena guna yang careful ya. I think I should write it down. Careful. You must be very, very, VVIP, very, very careful in determining which line is correct, which line is the most correct. Which one is correct? Which line is correct? You gotta keep on asking, is it normal line or is it tangent line that I supposed to use? You kena sentiasa tanya diri you. So you kena faham lah. So problemnya dekat sini, all of you, my student, kena faham ni tangent line ke ni normal line. You gotta always ask yourself. Adakah you pandai tengok tangent line dan juga normal line? You pandai ke tidak tengok? Kalau you pandai, alhamdulillah. Kalau tak pandai lagi tengok, kena usahakan. Alright? Tanya kawan, tanya saya. Okay, maybe we should go now to the ellipses. Ellipses ni saya tak perlu masa yang panjang lah. Saya tak perlu masa yang panjang untuk explain to you all. So welcome to ellipse. I have prepared a summary for you guys. So this is my summary. I will forward to you all later. Okay. So this is ellipse ni tak susah. To be honest, ellipse dan parabola lah yang paling senang bagi saya. Itulah saya terbalik. Kenapa budak-budak ni fikir circle paling senang? Aku rasa circle ni susah juga sebenarnya. Kenapa dia rasa senang? I'm questioning that to myself and to my student lah. Why do you all feel ellipse is a bit harder than that? Parabola even more. Okay, parabola saya akan ajar hari Jumaat nanti. So hari ni saya ajar ellipse. Saya ada 30 minit lagi untuk explain tentang ellipse. So saya just go through bagi kamu nampak lah apa yang saya dah cuba prepare untuk kamu, summary saya. Okay, so saya tak nak explain lebih melainkan ini je lah formula yang saya harap semua student saya hafal untuk ellipse. Ini je lah daripada banyak-banyak kan. Saya minta kamu hafal ni je. This is the only formula that I ask you to hafal. Yang lain tu tak apa. Yang lain tu you boleh pelan-pelan. This thing is the first thing first that you got to remember. Okay, you got to remember, you must remember that this is important because this is the equation of ellipse. Okay, this is the equation of ellipse. Very, very important to remember that it always equal to 1. Dia tidak sama dengan circle. Dia mesti belakang ni equal to 1 dan bawah ni ada bahagi A squared, B squared. Okay, beza kan? Very huge difference over that. So this is the equation of ellipse. Let's go to the soalan nombor 20. Saya akan ajar 2 soalan sahaja. Many of you vote nombor 20, 21, 22. Okay, ni 21, 22. Saya akan buat sedikit lah kejap lagi. So nombor 20 ni guys. Okay, I only teach you one example ya. So you all gotta listen carefully lah. You all gotta listen carefully because this is the only examples that I'm going to teach you, the ellipse. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin everybody. So untuk soalan ni kita diberi Cartesian equation of an ellipse, which is this one. And I know you'll find this question is a bit hard sebab soalan ni means besarnya nombor dia. Okay, first of all, tak apa kalau nombor dia besar asalkan dia boleh factorize. Itu paling best. Dia memanglah akan boleh factorize punya untuk soalan ellipse. You jangan risau, okay? So you tulis dulu soalan and then you buat big and then you susun X dengan X di depan, Y dengan Y di belakang. Okay, this is important. Susun dulu X bersama X, X squared with X, Y squared with Y. Susun dan jadikan dia dalam satu group. After you dah susun, what you should do is you factorize. Kenapa you factorize? Sebab dua nombor ni boleh difaktorkan. Bawa keluar 4. You dapatlah dalam ni. You jangan keluarkan X. You keluarkan nombor je. That is how we use CTS, completing the square. Our goal right now is trying to apply completing the square method. Okay, completing the square method ni patutnya dah kuasai lama dah. Kalau tak bagus lagi kena buat something. Ada problem lah kat situ kalau you all tak bagus CTS. Okay, so this is my way of CTS. Okay, you hanya perlu bawa keluar nombor. Tak perlu bawa X, no need. Keluarkan nombor 4 dan nombor 9. Okay, so that dalam ni kita boleh apply apa? Apply completing the square. So dua group ni je yang sangat penting untuk apply completing the square. So saya bawa lah nombor 4 ni keluar. Bawa dia keluar dan buat big bracket. Okay, inilah saya kena padam ni. Maybe tak payah padam semua. Padam ni je. Saya padam lah supaya bagi semua orang nampak. Kenapa saya padam? Okay, CTS. Applying CTS. Ini pun padam lah. Bagi saya padam, biar saya buat semula. Okay, so nombor 4, Allah. Nombor 4 dan nombor 9 saya bawa keluar. Luar bracket. Okay. Saya yang bawa keluar dia bracket, keluar daripada bracket merah ni sebab tak apalah, senang nanti. So apa yang saya cuba nak selesaikan adalah ini. Ini dua ni. This is two equation yang perlu di-apply CTS. Macam mana nak cakap lagi? Ini je lah yang saya boleh cakap. Saya nak apply, tak cantiknya highlighter ni. Can I use this colour? This colour lah, yellow colour. Okay. I need to apply this yellow colour to apply apa? CTS, completing the square. So make sure saya dah bawa keluar 4 dan 9, keluar dari box itu. Keluarkan dia dari box itu. Okay? Keluarkan dia tak ada kaitan. Yang kita tengah cuba nak selesaikan ni adalah yang dalam bracket sahaja. What we are trying to do is inside of the bracket only. Okay? So now we are ready to apply CTS. So you ready? So x minus, so x, ya Allah. So x minus 2. So x minus 2 and then dia mesti minus. CTS, completing the square mesti minus. Minus 2 square. Okay. Kalau saya dah biasa buat. Jadi saya tak buat 2 square already. I do 4. Sebab I know where is this 4 coming from. The 4 is coming from 2 square. Where is this coming from? It's coming from number 2 there. Number 2 over there is being squared again. Okay, dari dalam tu. Okay, yang next group ni pula, dia akan jadi Y tambah. Kenapa tambah pula, Miss? Sebab saya ikut apa yang dia bagi. Atas tambah, bawah pun tambah lah. And then 4 ni akan bahagi 2, dapatlah 2. Okay. It's always going to divide by 2. That is CTS. Okay, completing the square memang macam ni. And then tolak 2 squared juga. Okay, mana datang 2? 2 datang dari sini. Okay. So 2 squared actually coming from, 2 squared is actually 4. So terus tulis 4. Kan bagus macam tu. Terus tulis je. It's quicker. It's quicker like that. Okay. And so you know that 4 datang daripada 2 tu, settle. So basically 2 groups are the same thing only. Cumanya huruf je yang berbeza. Huruf X and huruf Y. Okay. So now all your job is to expand. Right now is to expand. Masukkan ke dalam dia. Dekat sinilah ramai yang kantoi kot. Ramai yang rasa dia dah pandai buat. Ramai yang rasa dia pandai completing the square. Kalau you tak berjaya completing the square, maksudnya you tak faham lah konsep kembang ni. You tak hati-hati, you tak buat dengan hati-hati. So konsep kembang ni yang ramai student careless. Dia ramai careless sebab dia lupa nak kembangkan dia. So 4 times 4 is 16. Minus, follow lah, minus lah. Memang belakang ni sentiasa akan tolak ya. Untuk CTS is always minus at the back here. It's always minus over here. Tak percaya, you belajarlah balik dekat Google CTS macam mana. It's always minus over here. Always like that. Okay. So belakang ni jangan lupa kembangkan. Expand it, you will get 36. Ya, dari situ barulah you boleh susun dia. Susun. Ni buangkan kejap. Confused. Okay, saya susunkan dia, bawa turun yang ada nombor, yang ada kuasa 2 ni turunkan dia. And then selesaikan. 16, negative 16 plus 16 is 0. And so tinggallah 36. And then I put it on the right hand side terus. And so I got this. The thing is tak boleh tinggalkan macam ni. Cannot. We must, in order to get the equation of ellipse, kena ikut, we always must get equal to 1. Make sure you get equal to 1, barulah you boleh panggil the equation of ellipse. Okay. And so you bahagilah. You tak ada pilihan melainkan you bahagi semua dengan 36. You bahagikan semua dengan 36, you dapatlah your very, very successful equation of ellipse. Ta-da! Your very, very successful of equation of ellipse. Okay, so you punya masalah sekarang ni bukan equation of ellipse. You punya problem mungkin banyak berada di CTS. So you gotta work on your CTS better than before lah. Alright? You understand me? You gotta work on your CTS very, very well. Barulah you boleh perform lah subtopik kedua ni. Okay? So now all of you, okay, sekarang ni saya nak masuk macam mana nak lukis ellipse. Okay, macam mana nak lukis ellipse. Sekarang ni, daripada equation of ellipse, maybe I should tebal. Okay, pink lah. So, warna pink dekat sini menunjukkan dia sangat penting. Sebab dia boleh bagi kita info. Info apa? Dia boleh bagi kita info center, dia boleh bagi kita info A squared and B squared. So this is what I do. I extract the info out. Extract the info out from the equation of ellipse. So this is your A squared and this is your B squared. And so you get A and B. Daripada situ bila dah dapat A dan B, boleh cari C. Macam mana nak cari C? Since A is greater than B, since A is greater than B, the formula is A mesti tolak B. Cara nak hafal adalah yang besar mesti tolak yang kecil. Besar tolak yang kecil. Sebab itulah A squared minus B squared punya formula. So senang. Ingat tu je, besar tolak kecil. Besar tolak kecil. Ingat tu je, senang. But you gotta find your value of A and B first lah. Baru you tahu siapa yang lagi besar. In this case, A lagi besar. So A lagi besar bermaksud A squared minus B squared. Bermaksud 9 minus 4, which is square root 5. Your C is square root 5. So it's very important for you untuk cari your A, your B, and your C first. These three things is very, very important. Saya tak main-main ya. These three is very, very important to find first. Wajib cari dulu. Maybe I should write it down. Step 1 kena cari A, B, and C. Step 1 wajib cari value of A, B, and C. Sebab dari situ barulah you boleh cari vertices ni ha. V1, V2, V3, V4, F1, F2. Dan all of this V1, V2, V3, V4, F1, F2 akan sentiasa rujuk apa? Rujuk center kita. Dia akan sentiasa rujuk center. Jadi you all kena make sure yang you pandai cari A, B, C dulu. Dah cari A, B, C, barulah pandai cari selebihnya. Okay, macam mana nak pandai? Nak pandai mesti faham, mesti kena tahu bentuk graf dululah. Okay. Bentuk graf macam mana? Bentuk graf apa Bentuk graf pula, bentuk ellipse. So bentuk ellipse, this is the things. Bentuk ellipse, dia punya bentuk ellipse yang apa lah, membujur ke mendatar. What do we call it? I do not know what do I call it. I do not know what should I call it. Yang terbaring boleh ke saya sebut dia baring? Yang membaring. Yang ini yang menegak. Ada idea tak? What should I call them? Can you tell me so that it's easier for me to explain it? Boleh ke semua orang? Ada tak idea supaya saya boleh terangkan dengan jelas? Apa ni elips yang mendatar? Mendatar, satu menegak. Okey lah, boleh lah. Mendatar, menegak. So, okay, mendata. Okay, this is membaring. You all faham-faham sendirilah ya apa saya cakap ni. This is elips yang baring, yang mendata. So, elips yang terbaring ni, dia punya A lagi besar daripada B. Vertical and horizontal. Okay lah, vertical and horizontal. Farah, thank you for the idea. So this is the vertical. No. This is the horizontal ellipse. Ya ke? Dia panggil horizontal ellipse. Sorry, saya pun tak sedar lah yang itu. Saya pun tak berapa ingat kita panggil dia apa. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's say lah saya panggil dia horizontal. Kenapa dia horizontal? Sebab dia horizontal, dia mendata kan. So horizontal ellipse. This maybe lah boleh panggil lah. Horizontal ellipse. Okay, so horizontal ellipse, dia punya A besar lagi daripada B. Tapi kalau vertical punya ellipse, dia punya B lagi besar daripada A. You faham benda tu dah kan? You all patutnya dah faham sebab dah tengok video dah sebelum ni. Okay, your B is greater than A, maksudnya you tahu shape tu dah macam mana tau. So tadi kan kita buat soalan. Soalan kita punya A lagi besar daripada B. Jadi you confirm dah tahu bentuk dia macam ni. You dah confirm tahu, you boleh terus lukis. Miss, macam mana nak lukis, Miss? Macam mana nak lukis? This is a very, very good question. Maybe saya patut ajar dan saya patut delete lah balik semua ni. Okay, first of all, cara nak start lukis. Yang ini kamu abaikan Abaikan, saya tak ajar lagi. Saya tak ajar macam mana nak cari value ni lagi. Melainkan kamu hafal formula. Tapi saya tak suka hafal formula sangat-sangat. Jadi, saya faham melalui graph, sketching. So sometimes daripada selepas cari find A, B and C, I'll go straight away to sketching. Without finding the vertices and the foci and all. Saya memang jenis pelik sikit. Bab belajar matematik, saya suka melukis dan suka memaham dulu. Jadi apa-apa pun, apa yang saya faham sekarang ni, saya ada center. I know my center very well already because of this thing. You know that, right? Dari sini adalah cara kita baca center kita. You kena faham macam mana nak baca center. Center kita dari dalam ni. Dah boleh nampak dah 2, -2. Boleh nampak. Jadi saya sangat jelas 2, -2 berada di sini. So this is my center. So I label C. Dalam peperiksaan PSPM subjektif, wajib lukis dan label macam ni. So you kena make sure you pandai label C tu di mana. So it's very important to find some coordinate lah. Okay, maksud saya, you memang kena pandai cari koordinat and then you lukis, you kena label dia, you wajib lah benda ni. Saya sangat pentingkan student saya label X, label Y, label your center. So center is always the first thing to draw it first. Okay, jadi tolong ikut cara saya. Cara saya mudah sebab tak perlu banyak hafal. So all you do is you make this dotted line first. Okay, you make this dotted line. Okay, after you have made this dotted line, it's something that you know. Oh, I know that the shape Because B is greater than, no, because A is greater than B, so I know the shape is horizontal ellipse. And so I know that it will be bigger. It will be like this, contohnya lah. You memang boleh macam sketch. Tapi saya tahu kamu mesti tak nak fotokan kertas kesuka hati kan. Sebab kalau saya ni bolehlah back and undo. But you all cannot undo, you all kena padam dan leceh. And so, untuk nak mengelakkan leceh, kenalah cari kamu punya vertices. So vertices is bucu. Vertices bermaksud bucu. Bucu yang mana? Bucu V1, V2, V3 dan V4. So imagine that this is your ellipse. You gotta find your bucu-bucu dia. Bucu-bucu ellipse. So bucu-bucu ellipse boleh dicari dengan faham dekat mana bucu yang kamu tengah cuba nak cari dulu. So let's say I label this as my, let's say lah my V1. My V1, itulah kadang-kadang kita boleh buat serentak. Di sambil kita draw, di sambil kita label, kita boleh at the same time kita kena faham macam mana nak cakap. Okay, you all boleh lukis lah macam kecil-kecil. Okay, kecil-kecil. This is your C. And you all mesti faham this is your A. Isn't it? You all mesti faham ni you punya A. So A you, di sini mesti your V1. A kamu tadi berapa nilai dia? Berapa? A kamu tadi 3. Your A is 3. Your A is 3. So your A here, mana nak ajar? So you must understand that coordinate dekat sini, koordinat apa yang sama dekat sini? Koordinat apa yang kekal dekat sini? Koordinat apa yang sama? Koordinat yang sama adalah koordinat Y. Y koordinat. Oh, sorry. Y koordinat sama. So Y koordinat sama maksudnya yang ini kekal. Negatif 2 kekal sebab this is Y koordinat. Yang akan berubah, tambah dan tolak adalah you punya X koordinat. Yang X koordinat daripada center tu akan tambah A, tambah ataupun tolak A sebab dia ke kiri ataupun dia ke kanan. Betul tak? Faham tak maksud saya? Dia boleh tolak ke kiri ataupun tambah ke kanan. Alright, so this imagination is very important in you all. You all kena imagine lebih. Tapi kalau tak boleh imagine, you all kena lukis. Itulah maksud saya. Kalau tak berani imagine, tak dapat imagine, jangan salahkan diri. Jangan. Lukis saja. Sama ada dia ke tolak, aku perlu tolak 3 ataupun tambah 3. Yang aku pasti Y coordinate confirm sama sebab ni kan satu line. Bila satu line, Y coordinate confirm sama, kekal, tak ada ubah. Jadi Y coordinate sama, jangan kacau. Sama dari mana? Sama dari center lah. Center yang kita ukur. Center adalah pengukur kita. Pengukur kita nak tahu dia kita nak perlu fix yang mana point dia. Okay, in this case, X coordinate yang berubah sebab A adalah kiri dan kanan. You know, our A is either plus 1, either plus A or minus A sebab A sentiasa macam ni. Okay, A sentiasa tambah, tolak A, you know. So coordinate X yang akan berubah. A adalah untuk koordinat X yang akan berubah. So you know it's gonna plus minus 3 and plus 3 over there. And so you akan nampak, oh this is negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2 is over negative 1 and 2. -1 and -2. Sorry, saya tersilap. -1 and -2, am I right? So -1 is over here. So saya dah boleh start label. Saya nak betul. Besar sangat ni. So this is -1. You tak perlu label dengan sangat jelas. Yang penting apa yang you perlu label dalam PSPM adalah V1. V1 is important to label that. Okay, V1. V1 is -1, -2. Okay, you dah faham dah. Okay, where is your V2? V2 is 5. So 3, 4, 5. So 5 is over here. So this is your V2. See, you dah ada you punya V2. 1, 2, 3. So what is your V3 and V4? Your V3 and V4 adalah perlu diubah, apa ni? Perlu diubah Y coordinate. Sebab B adalah sini. B adalah berada di sini. This is your B. Therefore, yang berubah adalah Y coordinate you. X coordinate kekal. X coordinate tak kacau sebab dia masih berada X coordinate yang sama. It's still at the same coordinate X. Cumanya yang berubah adalah coordinate Y. Therefore, tambah tolak B lah. Tambah tolak B. Therefore, your V3 is over here. Your V3 is 2, 0. You boleh label macam ni. Sepatutnya memang kita kena label lah. Sepatutnya dalam exam memang kena label. Tapi takat label V3 pun dah cukup dah. And here goes your V4. Your V4 is 2, -4. And so you bolehlah lukis you punya ellipse. Tada! Here goes our ellipse. Alah, ellipse kita agak sengit ya. Ya, saya lukis lagi sekali. Kenapa ellipse kita sengit? Okay, bolehlah ni. So this is our ellipse. Our ellipse is quite gemuk macam agak comel dekat sini sebab dia agak gemuk-gemuk comel-comel sikit kat sini. Okay, but it doesn't matter as long as it looks more like this. It looks more like horizontal. It's enough for us. Apa yang kita tak cukup sekarang ni, kita perlu cari foci. Our F1 and F2. Okay, so you dah label, tak ada masalah. You dah label bagus. Actually, you will get full mark over here. Full marks, guys. Sekarang ni macam mana nak cari foci? Foci mestilah di antara center pergi ke arah foci di mana dia tambah C ataupun dia tolak C. Okay, do you know that? So daripada graf sebenarnya, daripada lukisan, lebih faham, lebih mudah untuk faham. Yes, Nadia tu ada masalah ke dengan Miss punya lukisan or something? Is there anything wrong? Just tell me, you don't have to call me. Okay. So right now, this is where we are going to plus and minus C. Minus C plus C from the center. V1 bukan sepatutnya sebelah kanan ke Miss? Oh, okay, good question Nadia Tul. very good question over here. Tak kisah sebenarnya V1, V2, V3 ni dekat mana-mana pun sebenarnya tak kisah. You boleh letak V2 dekat sini, V1 dekat sini. It's actually up to you guys. Yang penting apa yang you tulis, apa jawapan you, it's according to your own graph. Tak perlu ikut miss. Apa yang you label, kedudukan dia, ikut apa yang you punya jawapan. Okay? Faham ke? Tak perlu semestinya sama label dengan miss. This is my own label. My own label is my answers, according to my answers. Faham ke? So you don't have to follow me. Follow your answers. Okay, so now F kita tambah tolak C. Tambah tolak C mesti pada X coordinate. And so this is my answer untuk foci 1 and foci 2. Okay, so this is plus. Okay, kena faham ya C tu macam mana. Kalau you faham A, B, C, you mesti faham macam mana you nak letakkan A, B, C ni macam mana, dekat mana. It's actually, you tak payah hafal, it's actually very, very clear with the position of the ellipse over here. It's actually all over here is very, very senang untuk nampak lah. Bagi saya sangat nampak. Bagi saya sangat nampak melalui drawing. I can see the drawing very clearly because this is plus C. To the right is plus C. To the left is minus C. Faham ke? And then saya tahu nak kena tambah dan tolak C tu di mana? Di mana? Di X coordinate sahaja. Sebab pada X coordinate yang berubah. You see, this is what? This is coordinate X yang kecil. This is coordinate X yang agak besar sebab dia berada di belakang. You know, you kena faham coordinate mana yang kekal. So in this case, coordinate Y yang kekal. Sebab tu coordinate Y tak berubah. Sebab dia masih pada line yang sama. Y equals to negative 2. So Y coordinate dia kekal. Yang berubah adalah coordinate X. So you guys kena pandai baca koordinat apa yang berubah, koordinat apa yang ditambah dan ditolak. Okay, itu je sebenarnya tentang ellipses. And so all of you just have to write the conclusion saying that this is your vertices you have managed to get, this is your foci, and this is your center. And this is your sketching graph. That's all. That is as easy as ABC. Ellipse you boleh dalam tangan lah. Saya boleh jamin ellipse you memang boleh, you boleh perform dalam ellipse. You don't have to worry. Ellipse and parabola lah yang paling boleh perform dan paling boleh dapat full marks. 10 marks, 12 marks is in your hand lah. This is subjective questions. Okay, so dengan syarat faham kedudukan, ellipse faham kedudukan, faham vertices dekat mana, faham foci dekat mana. Yang paling penting sekali, faham center dekat mana. Kalau you tahu center dekat mana, you memang boleh buat the rest of it. Okay. And so, itu sajalah dari saya. Yang belakang ni, saya tinggalkan kamu untuk baca sendirilah. Untuk study sendiri, okay. And in fact, this one pun saya rasa kamu boleh buat. Yang ni actually paling ramai vote. Tapi, saya rasa I don't have a lot of time to teach. Melainkan saya boleh buat sedikit saya boleh tunjukkan sedikit macam mana nak apply completing the square to you all lah. Okay, so this is the last from me guys. Okay, apa-apa pun kena groupkan dulu. Oh, yang ini soalan ni dah group pun, bagus. Soalan ni dah groupkan X group and Y group. It's perfect, it's very nice already. So all you have to do is bring out the, sorry. You can bring out the number, bring the number only, okay? So X squared minus 8X, ini Y squared plus 1. Okay, you only bring the number out. Okay, bring the number out. So all you have to worry is that apa yang you perlu cari adalah dalam ni. Dalam ni lah yang kita perlu apply CTS. Macam mana nak apply? Ya, saya buat bracket dulu senang. Buat bracket dulu senang. Supaya kita nampak apa kita punya jalan penyelesaian kita nampak. So yang dalam ni akan kita dapat x minus 4 in bracket squared minus 16. Miss buat completing the square sangat cepat. Miss punya completing the square is very fast. I do not know whether you agree with me or not, but this is, I have been using this method for years. Saya memang guna cara saya. You all boleh guna cara you all. Tak ada masalah. Tapi cara saya memang senang. Cara saya tak susah. Cara saya completing the square is bawa turun x. Okay, dia mesti ada ni. Dia mesti ada bracket. Mesti ada bracket square. Itu yang paling wajib. Mesti ada bracket square dan ada tolak. Okay, faham ke maksud saya? Mesti ada bracket square dan ada tolak square. Sebenarnya macam itulah. Sebenarnya macam inilah bentuk rangka dia. Cara saya if you want to learn it. Okay. And then dalam ni kalau dia tolak you follow tolak. So x minus 4. Kenapa 4? Because 8 over 2 is 4. Yang belakang ni mesti minus juga. Dia sentiasa minus, tak boleh ubah. Dan 4 squared is 16. Okay, 4 squared is 16 ataupun buat je lah 4 squared. Yang belakang ni pula y plus. Follow. Dia tulis plus, follow plus. Plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Okay, 2 over 2 is 1. And at the back here is 1 also. 1 squared. Dia mesti minus. Remember, my nasihat pada you all. You all kena sentiasa faham yang completing the square mesti tolak belakang ni. Okay, and mesti dikuasa 2 lah. You all mesti dah faham dah bentuk ni. And after that, you all kena kembangkan sahaja pada setiap term di dalamnya. Okay, yang ini yang mungkin you all banyak careless. Yang you rasa you boleh buat tapi you tertinggal something. So, you gotta be careful over here. You will get 9x minus 4 squared. Okay, minus 16 times 9 berapa? 144 plus 16 y plus 1 squared minus 16 equals to negative 16. Macam tu lah. And so you do it by yourself and you will succeed eventually macam biasa. Okay? Itu saja tentang ellipse. Ellipse perlu kuasai. Sangat-sangat perlu bagus completing the square. If you are good in completing the square, I promise you your ellipse will be perfect. You don't have to worry. Okay? You really don't have to worry. And satu lagi saya nak ingatkan, ellipse memang wajib label. Tulis itu ya. Wajib label. Ellipse wajib label V1, V2, V3, V4 and then wajib label dan wajib listkan apa? Listkan vertices, foci and center. You wajib tulis semua ni untuk dapatkan full mark dalam exam PSPM. Faham ke maksud saya? Do you understand everybody? That you must, it's a must to label in exam and you cannot avoid that in order to get full mark. Okay, ellipse is just about understanding the position of vertices and also the foci. And yang paling penting, faham position center dahulu. Faham center memang boleh buat lah yang lain tu, tak ada masalah lah. Petik jari je lah buat ellipse ni, very easy and you love it. Okay everyone, Assalamualaikum. I think I'm gonna stop here. Goodbye everybody, Assalamualaikum. Have a good rest and I also want to get rest. 2 jam bercakap memang saya pengsan lah every Wednesday. Memang pengsan after that. Everybody, Assalamualaikum. Thank you for listening. And thank you for not giving up. I'm so proud of you. Do know that I always pray for you, okay? Di kala duka kamu, suka kamu, you know. Kami tenaga pengajar memang sentiasa akan mendoakan anak-anak muridnya, pelajar-pelajarnya. You don't have to worry. We will always pray for your mentally, your physically. Kami sentiasa doakan untuk kamu. All you got to do is just have faith. Have faith. Don't lose hope. Always believe in yourself that you boleh buat no matter how hard it is. You boleh, you boleh, you boleh. Sentiasalah dalam fikiran tu macam tu. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.